If a boat engaged in fishing is trying to cross you ahead within a traffic separation scheme and risk of collision exists, who shall give way? This is a common, tricky interview question, so save this video for later. Now, in our rules, a vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any vessel following a traffic lane, meaning as much as possible, they should fish outside the lane, but if you read again, the rule also said firsthand that this rule does not relieve any vessel of her obligation under any other rule, which means if there's a danger of collision, you must follow the other rules first, and on this case, you shall give way. Now, why is that? Well, in simplified terms, it means for local fishermen we are not robbing them the rights to fish in their hometown, and they can go fishing as long as they do not block the passage of others as much as possible. But for the sake of uniformity in action, if ever a danger of collision exists, then everyone will think of the same universal actions to avoid collision. This is because even if their ECDs shuts down, or they are not aware whether they are inside the TSS or not, if there's danger then, you will automatically know what avoiding action you should take.